Crypto or metal? Let's find out which one should be in your investment portfolio. Let's break it down. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, just like gold's limited availability. This scarcity can drive up value as demand increases. Plus, Bitcoin is easily divisible. Need to send a fraction of a penny? No problem. Try doing that with gold. And portability? Bitcoin wins hands down. A few clicks and it's transferred electronically, while gold, well, good luck fitting that in your pocket. And don't forget accessibility. If you have internet, you have Bitcoin. But wait, there's more. Bitcoin is volatile. Its price can swing wildly, unlike gold's more stable value. And let's face it, some folks just love the tangible feel of gold. Regulations around Bitcoin? Still a work in progress. And gold? It has real-world uses from jewelry to electronics. So, should Bitcoin replace gold?